Hello again, Del Do-It-Yourself family. Today we've got another specially prepared sauce.
This is a DIY sauce.
This is the official do-it-yourself sauce.
You're gonna love it.
What do I recognize in there? It's good though. I don't know if there's still mushroom in this one. I think there's a mushroom in here. I think it's good so far. Well, I think you did a good job on this.
You put in hot peppers, right?
No.
No peppers.
We put in some cheese, maybe that had
Yeah, some queso dip is in there. Part of it.
Oh, okay.
It's part of it. There's about 10 parts of this one.
That taco sauce that I like is in this.
Yeah, is it the garlic
It's the same
one?
color, really.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's in there. Pickle juice.
Yeah, good amount of pickle juice.
Oh, the pickle juice, the anti-cramping.
Meatball nailed it with the clover alfalfa.
Mm-hmm.
I crushed up a mango chunk in there.
Mangoes in there.
So we got some healthy stuff.
Yeah.
Pesto. So there's
I
spinach.
can't quite reach that.
People throw it over.
I'm gonna wash it down with this.
You're gonna wash
Thank
this down with that?
Yep.
Good, interesting call.
Well, the color
See how
goes
it
good.
goes,
I don't know if
folks.
you can see that color on the camera.
Yeah, green.
Svengoolie green.
It's good with the DIY sauce.
So this time around, the ingredients.
I know there's lime juice, but is there... I know there's pickle juice in here, but is there lime juice too? Or like a lemon juice?
There's no lime juice, no.
The list of ingredients is a little bit more complicated.
Yeah, this one gets a little more in depth.
So, but as far as the taste of it and so forth, it's a kind of a treat.
And DIY sauce. So a collection of things that you have in the kitchen, common household items. It's a good consistency. I think it's a little more watery than the others.
You need this last
Good with the
roll?
bread. We got a couple more rolls if you want 'em.
Yeah, this is definitely good on like, would be good for pretzels and different kinds of crackers you may have.
It does hold on the cracker pretty good. It's not a little drippy.
Here, I'm gonna have some of that leftover mushroom elixir from before.
You guys want to make this a series? Guess the ingredients in the sauce?
So this is another do-it-yourself project.
Yeah.
If we got like 3 hints for like guess a sauce, I'd be down.
You got a couple of them.
Yeah, we gave you some hints.
I think there was like 6 ingredients or something. So I don't know.
Well, we named 4 or 5, right?
I don't remember.
Pickle juice, clover and alfalfa, queso, the sauce, the salsa,
Yeah.
There was no salsa.
Taco sauce.
taco sauce, and we're missing one more.
The mango?
Yeah, mango.
Mango.
There's a whole mango chunk in there.
And no
Did
onion.
you guys do the pesto?
Yeah, pesto.
And
is in there,
pesto.
too.
And no onion, right?
No onion.
So we haven't tried the Pringles
Oh
yet.
yeah, that's good with the pizza Pringles.
So
They both complement each other.
leave that for Matt. Grab it.
Yeah, Mac.
And we'll try the pizza flavor.
Yeah, I think this is definitely an example of looks can be deceiving
It tastes good.
because
What does it look like?
you look at that and it's like you're not.
Would it be better if we blindfolded you guys?
Ooh, that would be good. Let's see that next
Oh,
video.
gosh.
We'll blindfold meatball.
I don't know. You guys are gonna give me something real spicy and I'm gonna hate it.
No,
This is as spicy as it gets.
Yeah, we don't really have hot sauce here. Well, this actually has hot sauce in it. It's just like that little Cholula sauce. That's another one. I don't think it's just a couple drops. It's like
Yeah,
a
I said the taco sauce.
No, that's a different
That's
one.
a different thing.
There's taco sauce and there's that Cholula breakfast hot sauce. It's a very mild spice, though.
All right, Del Do-It-Yourself viewers. Sponsor today is Mountain Dew. bringing us their major melon flavor. It's the tropical citrusy taste you'd expect from, I mean, it's more Mountain Dew introducing their more sweeter side of things. And yeah, it's a charge, it's watermelon flavored. So, yeah, it's very satisfying, very sweet. Yeah, I would say it's definitely. Yep, real good. Alright. Yeah, say. Alright. Alright, give this guy a try. Why not?
What does it taste like?
Watermelon. Very sweet and